Hello, welcome back to Life Upgrade Podcast. This is your host, Fulfillment Obi. We're talking about goal setting. Goal setting is one of those things that is required of you if you truly want to be successful. But goal setting seems like a scam to most people. You take out your notes, you write down your goals, and after a while you get discouraged, you tear it out and throw it into the trash bin, and you return back to your normal life. In today's episode, we'll talk about why goal setting isn't working for you and how you can fix it. Be sure to subscribe and leave a review so that you'll be notified when a similar episode like this are out. Be ready for an upgrade. Goals are supposed to help you focus on things that will help you fulfill destiny, actualize your dream. They keep you from distraction, they help you to build and improve yourself to attain a lot. But the problem is they don't go beyond a few days a week for most people. I'm going to give you some simple reasons why goal setting doesn't work for you. Number one is setting unrealistic goals. We see this happen a lot in seasons where our dopamine level is at its peak. Example, the New Year Eve, the new month, when you change location, when you newly get a new job, when you newly get engaged or you newly get married. You tend to make goals like, I'm going to save $1 million this year, when actually your current job is paying $50 per month. It's impossible to attain such humongous goal in a short period of time because they are unrealistic. They're just going to put you under pressure and stress. Number two is setting goals that doesn't fit your current lifestyle. For example, you want to buy an airplane, but your current job doesn't require travel. Or you want to watch the news on TV daily, but when you come back from work every day, you are very tired and you can't even handle the TV remote. If your current lifestyle doesn't fit the goals you set, it becomes too hard to put up with it, and this causes conflict. So it's either you change the goal or you change your current lifestyle. Number three is setting goals that doesn't provide any value to your life. Goals like, I want to visit all the latest restaurants in town and get the taste of their food. I want to buy all the latest stuff this year. I want to go out on social media. These kinds of goals focuses only on temporary pleasure that doesn't add any real value to your life. That will waste your time and your money and your energy and keep you stuck in a rut. So my advice is get away from goals like this. Number four is setting goals without daily small steps. Goals without daily small steps are unrealistic goals. Why? Because without small steps, it is impossible to follow through and commit to the process that will help you achieve those goals. So you want to build a company that will provide a lot of value to the world. But what are the steps to take? You need to write those steps down. If not, you're going to end up wasting your time because that kind of goal is unrealistic. It doesn't lead to anywhere, and you will not know the things to do, the actions to take that will help you make that goal a reality. And lastly is setting goals that only focus on the end result rather than the process. Every goal needs a process to survive. Without the process, your goals become unachievable. Setting goals like, I want to be the best football player in the world is a very, very nice goal. But the question is, are you willing to commit to the process that will make that goal a reality? This is where so many people miss it. So this is where many people begin to fail. You set up a goal, a very beautiful goal, but you are not willing to commit to the process that will bring about that goal, because processes means work. You have to work, put in some certain action, learn and grow before that goal can become a reality. But many people want to cut corner. They want to take the shortcut. They just want that goal to be achievable quickly. They want to take the easy road. They want everything to be so easy. So they miss out from the process, and so doing, their goals become unattainable, unachievable, and just end up as ink on the paper. Now let's talk about how you can fix your goals, how you can set goals that works. Number one, set goals that are realistic. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals will help you focus on those things that are within your reach to change. If you set unrealistic goals, you are going to put yourself under stress and pressure, and at the end of the day, you waste your time. So start by setting realistic goals. Number two, start small. Set small goals. Don't set bigger, greater goals that are beyond you. Start small. By starting small, you empower yourself to do the things that are within your reach, and when you learn to do the things that are within your reach, you empower yourself to do more. So you want to take 10,000 steps a day. Why not start with 100, Why not start with 50 steps? Why not even start with 10? By committing to 10 steps per day, you can empower yourself over time to do 100 steps and to do 1,000 steps. So starting small gives you the advantage to learn, to grow, to know the things that are within your reach, to improve yourself so you can empower yourself to set bigger goals. Number 3, accept and be willing to commit to the process. Without processes, goals are unrealistic. They become impossible to attain and impossible to achieve. So be willing and be ready to commit to the processes. Don't give up along the way. It might be difficult, it might be hard, it might stress you, it might stretch you, but committing to your goals, committing to the process that makes your goals a reality will completely change your life forever. Gratification. Delayed gratification is essential if you're going to be able to achieve and attain your goals. So if you're the kind of person that focuses only on temporary pleasure, then you're missing the point. It will distract you, make you lose focus, and keep you from committing to the process that will help you attain your goals. So instant gratification is so bad. Instant gratification is a killer of goals. Instant gratification is a destroyer of life. So try as much as possible to practice delayed gratification. Number 5 is tracking your goals and documenting every small win. Tracking your goals and documenting it is very important. It will encourage you when it seems as if you're not growing, because there are some goals you set and you put in a lot of work and it seems as if you're not doing anything. So tracking your goal on a daily and documenting every small win will encourage you and will keep you going. Number 6, tweak your goals, improve them to fit any change in your life, any new changes in your life. So you don't have to be rigid, you have to be flexible. If you have a big change in your life, maybe you have to move to a new city, a new location, or you have to move to a new job, then you have to fix your goals. You have to tweak it and change it so that it can fit your current lifestyle, because that is the key to sticking to your goals. When your goals doesn't match your lifestyle, it needs to cause conflict, and this conflict will lead to discouragement, and you end up abandoning that goal. Number 7, get an accountability partner. Get somebody that will guide you, get somebody that you'll be accountable to, get somebody you can talk to that will help you commit to your goals. Accountability partner is very, very important. It cannot be overemphasized. When you were small, when you were a child, your parents were your accountability partner. So even if you don't want to do some certain things like do your house chores, do your homework, they were always there to help you commit to those goals that will improve your life. So connecting with an accountability partner is going to be very, very helpful, and it's going to help you achieve your goals. Lastly, connect with your power source and draw strength from your power source. Talking about power source, that was the last episode, so be sure to check it out if you have not, so you can really understand how to manage, improve, and set goals that will change your life. Wow, that was intense. I hope you've been upgraded. But before we go for today, let's hear what the Bible has to say about goal setting. Reading from the book of Isaiah chapter 32 verse 8. But it says, "But the noble man make noble plans, and by noble deeds they stand." Well, I hope you've gained a lot of value from today's podcast. I want to encourage you to share this podcast to everyone you know that will benefit from this podcast. The new year is coming, and this podcast will help a lot of people. And also, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. You can send me a voice message by the voice message link in the description of this podcast. God bless you. Have a beautiful day ahead.